You step on the...
I'm
brake.
working from here now.
Yes,
Is that correct?
that's correct.
Okay, so I'm stepping on the brake from the middle. Well, is it? Okay, and now what do I do here?
Engage here, and
Okay.
then start winding slowly.
That's not engaged. There we go. Keep the brake on.
Mm-hmm.
What's all the mess right here?
Those are the end of your knots.
Oh, so that doesn't matter?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, it's not gone.
Oh, you have to disengage the ratchet.
Okay. Okay.
How did you do that? I'm sorry, I couldn't see.
Do it again. Play it
it up.
again, Sam.
All right, that's
I want it from here.
that's winding the ratchet, and to disengage the ratchet, pull it up and then flip this back,
Oh.
And then just let that
it go.
dangle. Oh, so before we can do the step that we're doing here, we need to disengage there.
Yes.
Okay.